Hey, hey, besties and fun life on a budget groupies. This is Becky with Bestie Becky's Crafts, and I thought I'd do a little video tutorial on our next swap with the Facebook group page Fun Life on a Budget. I'm going to write out the rules and what is involved in the swap, but I thought it might be a little easier too if I did a quick little video that showed you what I was thinking of. We've done a 3-pocket pocket letter swap, a regular pocket letter swap, so I thought it might be fun to do just a little something different. So I hope you agree with me, and it's really easy to do, so don't get worried. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off and flip it down to my work surface area so we can go over the swap. So give me just 1 minute. Okay, I'm back, and are you ready for the swap idea? It is a Valentine mini envelope swap. Really easy. And actually, this is mine, and I just made it out of an envelope, as you can see. And then we're just going to fill it with goodies. So what you can do is you can make, this is a 5" by 5" envelope. I made it using my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. Or if you don't have an envelope punch board, you can just use A2 size envelopes that you can buy at the store. You might have some leftovers from when you made cards, or you can buy just like a package of envelopes at Michael's or wherever. And A2 envelope sizes are 4.37 inches by 5 3/4 inches, and that's an okay size too. So once you have your envelope, you're going to decorate the outside of it, and as you can see here, I chose to decorate mine with a mailbox and grass, and I made a postage stamp. This is where I'll put who my partner is and that it's from me, and I decided to add some sequins just for a little bling, not too bright a bling, but just a little bit of bling. And I don't know if you can see in the center there, I put some clear glitter glue. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it's from Scrappy Cats, and it's glitter glue, but you can use Stickles if you want, or if you have a different brand. This is just what I happen to have, and it is just clear glitter glue. It helps to cover up the hole in the sequins and adds a little extra shine, so I like to do that. And then once you decorate, you can decorate this side, or you can decorate this side, or you can decorate both sides, doesn't matter, but I decided to just decorate it like an envelope if you were sending it to someone. And then I put a die cut of a heart here and handy dandy little piece of Velcro. Now, you can just decorate it and leave it flat and not fold it and stuff it with your stuff if you want. Totally up to you. You could decorate the flap as well. If you get on Pinterest and look up mini loaded envelopes, you'll see pictures of envelopes like this, but they're open and they've decorated them with lace and ribbon and paper and flowers and different things. So it's completely up to you how you decorate it, but it must be decorated in a Valentine's Day theme. So I have my stuff, and it does fit in my envelope. Well, most of it except my embellishments, but I'm going to set this to the side. So the first thing is to have your envelope, and remember mine was a 5 by 5 envelope, but again you can use the A2 size, alright? And then you're going to make a smaller envelope, and this happens to be from a die that I have. It's about, I think, 2 by 3 inches or something like that. But on your We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, the smallest one they have is for like a gift card, which is about what this size is, and it's 2 by 3.5. So just to make it around, excuse me, that size, just so it fits in your envelope. You can make it bigger if you wanted to too. But what we're going to put inside, again, the little Velcro. I love these. Once I find these little tiny Velcro dots, I'm just like addicted. You'll make a little note card to go inside, and this is where you will write a message to your swap partner, wishing them a happy Valentine's Day. So that is the first thing that will go in your envelope. Okay, so I'm going to show these. And then you need to make a tag that will fit inside your envelope. And if you remember a while back, I did a video on how I made tags with a pocket using the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, and that's what I used to make this tag. So I made a tag, and it fits inside my envelope. So you need to make a tag, decorate it for Valentine's Day, just like so. Alright, and I just put a heart on the back. Okay, so there's those 2 things. And then you need to make 3 handmade embellishments. Let me slide this over a little bit so you can see my embellishments. I figured out how to make heart rosettes. Like finally, been crafting for how many years, and I finally make heart rosettes. So I made 3 heart rosettes, and to put a love on them, and like a little die cut doily behind them, and some fancy paper. And then I just used a glue dot to stick them to the paper so that the person that I swap with can take them off and put them on a project or a wand, whatever they'd like to do with them. So, have your envelope, smaller envelope if you know, tag, 3 embellishments, and then the last thing is, I'm going to put my 3rd embellishment on top there, is some die cuts. And you just need to do 3 die cuts. So I cut out 3 bow die cuts, and they're the ones with the hearts along the edge. So it's like a package of how, they can make their own bows. Put a sample of a bow up here so they can see. And that's it. Isn't that easy? What a simple swap. But fun. Hopefully I find you fun. Oh my goodness. I hope you find it fun. So, like I said, super easy. It's just your decorated envelope, smaller envelope with the note, tag, which I will put a link to this video in the comment section below so that you can take a look at that again if you'd like to use this tag as your idea. And then 3 handmade embellishments and 3 die cuts. Super simple. So I will go ahead and post this video with the rules on the swap, and then y'all can get started. So I hope it was easy enough to understand. If you have any questions, feel free to private message me that or put it in the comment section below. And if you are not a member of Fun Life on a Budget Facebook group and you would like to join the swap, go ahead and ask to join the group, and then you can join us in the swap. So I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and like I said, it was super easy, a little something different than a pocket letter. So I hope you all sign up and let's have some fun. So thanks for watching the video. Have fun crafting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.